Welcome NFT lovers, welcome crypto lovers. Today it's going to be a pretty short, quick video. I'm not gonna go into details very much. What I wanted to do today is just present some 10x opportunities, which will be presenting themselves in the month of January. So the first 10x opportunity, or even 100x. And like I said, this is not financial advice. This is just my opinion. Is DOTPAD. DOTPAD is going to be incubated by the BlueZilla incubation process. DOTPAD will be very similar to MetaVPad, as well as GameZone. They'll be, uniting basically the substrates. They're going to be based on Kusama. They'll be based on Polkadot ecosystem, and they'll be providing some awesome projects for you guys to be able to get allocations in. So going with this project for the month of January, I do feel that the current the current market right now, it's definitely a little bit shaky. Bitcoin has hit so some pretty big lows. I think we're at 40-ish, 41,000-ish. This is a bit of a low, but I'll speak about how Bitcoin could rebound as well in the next few weeks. So first opportunity is DotPad. So I would recommend that you guys go ahead, read a little bit of the website, take a look at the details as well as scroll through the whole project presentation. In terms of public price, maximum supply as well as supply at listing, it is not defined, but initial market cap will be of 290K, and tokenomics are not defined as well. In the next few days, they'll be defining everything, going from team, advisors, liquidity, until I think the most important will be the public sale for us to know how much we're going to be getting. They're also going to be defining the plans, the tiers, the DotPad starter. But I do feel that it's going to be a little bit like the other ones. The one that I'm staking on is NFT launch. As I showcased it in my last video, you guys are going to be able to see what's the staking process. But overall, hopefully if I get a chance in the next few weeks, I can show you guys how we can go through the whole process of staking, as well as the whole process of IDO, as well as allocation, as well as ensuring that everything goes smoothly, to be able to guarantee the a specific allocation, as well as going into a specific claim of tokens, as well as a trade after allocation. So this is it for the first 10x opportunity. Second opportunity will be, let's take a look right here, is about the big Bitcoin price itself. As we can take a look at the patterns, we have this trend line, which has started by November 2020. Every time that Bitcoin is bouncing on this trend line, we have a pump of around 50% plus. We had this in November 2020, and we had it as well in August 2021, when we hit a low of $30,000, and we're having the same thing right now. And so if this trend line does hold, we can definitely take a look at all-time highs, but it's very important to note that right now we're in January, and in terms of consolidation, if we take a look at past performance, can take, let's say, from May to the month of August. So we can go through 2 to 3 months. So technically right now, being patient in the next few weeks is going to be crucial. buying these coins which are going to be low, and this is the Bitcoin chart, which is, I mean, an indicator for the whole crypto space. But at the end of the day, a lot of coins going from metaverse to DeFi, to any other specific coin, they will have a tendency to follow the Bitcoin trend. So this is definitely a 10x opportunity, where buying at these lows and maybe setting a bit of a stop loss, and even if you guys are not trading, just setting a sell into a 5% type of risk management type of sell-off would be efficient. And so right now it's a very, very good buying opportunity for every specific crypto token out there. And third 10x opportunity right now is the project OXYA Origin. OXYA Origin is an NFT project. They sold out in the past few days. But if we take a look at the floor price, it's already at 1 ETH, but potential is huge. Right now, I would not recommend to go ahead and buy one, because they're still in the reveal process. And this is where the hype is very, very high. And if we take a look at the activity itself, we can see that we had a floor price of 1.2. 2 days ago, and then it bumped to 1.3, and then it's now trending downwards. I would recommend to wait until this not average price, but floor price goes down to around 0.6, 0.7, and trying to scoop one of these, where the potential of doing a 10x or going from 0.5 and 10xing will be very reasonable, or at least 2, 3, 4x will be reasonable as well. And going through a flip opportunity, but very important and to be very aware that NFTs are a very risky investment. And 95% of the projects, like I mentioned yesterday in my video, will go to almost zero. So picking these projects where having a plan and making sure that, once the price is going to hit this specific amount, I'll be selling, or I'll be settling before the reveal, or I'll be selling, once they have a specific announcement. It's very important to have a plan, because most of the NFT projects, even though they have great art, even though they have great opportunity, they're not offering real value. It's always based on hype. Hype is the main source of inflation of the specific price. So this is very, very important to keep in mind. So thank you so much, guys, for watching the video today. If you guys can go ahead and subscribe to my Twitter, if you guys can go ahead as well as subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Twitter, subscribe would be awesome. I'm offering $100 worth of BNB if you guys go ahead and subscribe in the next few days. Yesterday we announced the winner of the DOTPAD. It was a gentleman called Amisl, WMACD. I don't know how we pronounce this specific username, but the lucky gentleman did receive the specific DOTPAD NFT Halloween collection. So thank you so much again, guys. Have a great night and stay blessed.